I'm Lydia from Jack and the Wolfe in the UK, and this is my model Priscilla. We're going to be creating an effortless long bob style today. So to start with, I'm going to be using the Conscious Style Cleansing Mist. First of all, make sure you give it a really good shake, just to make sure all the ingredients mix together. And this is a really great alternative to dry shampoo. Whilst dry shampoo gives you the lovely texture and volume, this is just for really if you want that slightly deeper clean. And just make sure that you comb it all the way through as well, just to distribute the product from the roots through to the ends. Now I'm going to use a little bit of the Conscious Style Styling Putty before I dry it. Just take a little bit, really break it down in the palm of your hand before you apply it, and then just smooth it through the ends. It's lovely because it's got a really nice kind of moisturizing feel. It's really easy to distribute. And what that will do is it will just give it a little bit of matte texture and pliability without it being too heavy. So now we've applied the cleansing mist and the styling putty, we need to dry in the cleansing mist. So I'm going to blow dry the mid-lengths and ends at the same time as drying in the cleansing mist to the roots. So to finish it off, I am going to use the THERMASHAPE 2-in-1 spray. 2-in-1 because it's both a thermal heat protection spray, but also a finishing hairspray. So I'm just gonna spray it all the way through section by section ahead of going in with the heat tool. I'm just going to go through with the straighteners and create a little bit of an undone wave. So just to finish, I'm going to undo the waves with my fingers by just running my fingers through the curl. Make it look nice and natural. And then just gonna mist a little bit of the 2-in-1 spray to finish as well. So I hope you like it. That's our effortless long bob. Check out more videos just like this one over on the KMS Pro YouTube channel.